She likes to hang out with her friends.
She likes to hang out with her friends.
The police are looking into the case.
The police are looking into the case.
The boy is running quickly to get the school bus.
The boy is running quickly to get the school bus.
I speak softly in the library.
I speak softly in the library.
The new policy brought in more customers.
The new policy brought in more customers.
And girl is thinking about her summer vacation.
Then girl is thinking about her summer vacation.
I see a rainbow in the sky.
I see a rainbow in the sky.
The old chair fell apart.
The old chair fell apart.
I always get up early in the morning to go for a jog.
I always get up early in the morning to go for a jog.
I am giving him some money to buy a shirt.
I am giving him some money to buy a shirt.
I am reading a storybook.
I am reading a storybook.
I cry when I'm sad.
I cry when I'm sad.
The balloon blew up suddenly.
The balloon blew up suddenly.
Please fill out this application.
Please fill out this application.
Every morning I brush my teeth.
Every morning I brush my teeth.
The girl felt let down by the results.
The girl felt let down by the results.
I will back you up in the meeting.
I will back you up in the meeting.
The car pulled over for a quick break.
The car pulled over for a quick break.
She put on her coat and left.
She put on her coat and left.
I ride on horseback.
I ride on horseback.
Only a few people showed up at the party.
Only a few people showed up at the party.
He took her out for dinner.
He took her out for dinner.
I am building a building on the beach.
I am building a building on the beach.
The girl is eating noodles with chopsticks.
The girl is eating noodles with chopsticks.
The girl is writing a letter to her friend.
The girl is writing a letter to her friend.
I drink water when I'm thirsty.
I drink water when I'm thirsty.
I sing my favorite song.
I sing my favorite song.
I am swimming in the pool.
I am swimming in the pool.
Birds fly in the sky.
Birds fly in the sky.
I begin my homework after school.
I begin my homework after school.
He broke his glass yesterday.
He broke his glass yesterday.
I sit on the chair.
I sit on the chair.
Dad drives the car.
Dad drives the car.
I draw a pencil on my notebook.
I draw a pencil on my notebook.
I sleep early every night.
I sleep early every night.
Donald Trump is dancing.
Donald Trump is dancing.
The boy loves to play cricket.
The boy loves to play cricket.